Only a little bit of rain, guys. 3 puddles, dry up under the tree. Until that's evidence, but we got more coming down there. Puddles are not so big. You tell that it's dry all the way up under that tree. You tell that it's dry under every single tree, actually. Not that much. It's almost dried up. It rained when I was working today. Even though it's sunny, we got this to go. So that means there's gonna be a lot coming. It's probably raining way down there at the pool right now. We just don't notice it. But that's evidence that it's dry up under the tree, so there you have it.